What's up, everyone? At Dale City, right outside of Oklahoma City, at the Suzuki event at Oklahoma Suzuki Honda dealership. We're riding the 2018 Suzuki GSX-R750. Okay, this morning I read the GSX-R1000 non-R. Then I read the Suzuki GSX-R600. Now I'm on the 750. So I'm really gonna see which one I like the most. Here we go. Dude, I like this 750 already. What is that, a steering dampener? What? I just wish the 750 got the full LCD digital dash like the 1000s. But you know how it goes, little bikes always get the best tech coming out the gate, so. But I've never heard anything like it except on these Gixxers. You hear that? That kind of bellowing howl? It only happens at a certain RPM range. And I would always say that I'm getting Ducati bias, but I gotta take that back. Man, these Gixxers, man. Like, nobody else makes a 750cc sport bike that I know of right now, so. Yeah, the 750 is smoother than the 600 by the most incremental, marginal degree. Boosa, bro. Let's go, let's go. Absolutely love this bike right now. Like it's super planet on the highway. Super stable, super comfortable. I'm absolutely in love right now. Oh my, my, my. See how pretty this bike is? Boosa 250. Man, that first gear pull is unreal. The only thing that kind of gets me with these Gixxers are they don't have that ultra positive clunk in the first gear, so it kind of just slips in the first. I like it, but I'm just not used to it. Makes me think I'm not in gear. Oh yeah, between the three bikes, the 1000, the 750, and the 600 cc's, there's no vibration. You just get this sound. Like, I'm sure you guys have heard it. So I'm gonna just call it the mid-range Gixxer sound, which, I mean, it isn't bad. See right there, you hear that? Then it smooths out. 2018 Suzuki GSX-R750. Cream of the crop. Very nice, guys. Later.